Hey everybody, it's Sim here from the Fusing Shop, and in today's video I normally don't do this, but I was going to show how to make a glass bead. So this is just a simple glass bead. There's no frills and no decorations or no technique in this video. So if there's plenty of other videos on YouTube that show you how to do that stuff. This is just going to be a very basic how to make a glass bead video. So with that heads up, first thing you need is your mandrel. So I forgot what size this is. I think it's like 3/16 or something like that. Something with a 3/something in it. And you do need your bead release. This stuff right here. It's like soupy mixture. And this will make the bead easier to pop off the mandrel when we're done. So to use this, all you do is dip your mandrel in. I'm only doing one here, but you could... can you see that? Okay, so I'm just dipping in the container. All right. Take the cap, tap off any excess on the cap. And this one is flame dry. Some of them you have to dry overnight. This one is a flame dry formula. So this way I could dip it and just dip it in the end of my flame here. Very gentle flame. And you'll start to see it turns from like dark gray to almost whitish, light grayish as the kiln wash dries. And so just go ahead and do that. Make sure again you get the one that does not have to dry overnight. Okay, and then you have your prepped mandrel ready to go. Okay, after that, all you need is your glass. So I'm gonna go ahead with this. I'm gonna make a purple bead today. I'm in a purple mood. This is North Star Periwinkle. I like saying periwinkle. Okay. Okay, this just says heat this up gradually in the flame, which is what I intend to do as we make this bead. So just start it out here. We're not going to use our mandrel yet. We're going to get that glass juicy hot. This is borosilicate, folks, so keep that in mind. I am not using your traditional bead making glass. I only work with borosilicate, and that is what I have available. It's a little different working with boro as opposed to the other glass. So this one, there's less working time. It requires more heat. And yeah, so just keep that in mind. If you are using a different glass, it might heat up faster than mine is here. Okay, so this is nice and juicy hot. Next thing we're going to do is get our mandrel where we're going to put our bead down nice and hot. So just go ahead and heat that up. Rotate, rotate, rotate. Rotating both things in the flame. When you make beads, you have to turn away from you. So I am very used to turning towards me because that's just my style. And that's the way I like to do it. So get that tip juicy hot. Get that mandrel nice and hot. And then just drop it right on and rotate. Keep your rod in the fire. And rotate your glass, your mandrel, until you get the size bead that you want. And then just flame cut. Come on, flame cut, there we go. Okay, and now we have this. It looks like a funky disc. But it's gonna round out as we keep it in the fire. So just keep rotating your glass in the fire. I'll sharpen up the flame a little bit. And rotate, rotate, rotate. And you'll see it starts to fuse into one solid piece as you rotate. Again, this is just a very basic video. If you do want to see more videos on bead making, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Really helps me out and helps my channel out. So thank you guys for, first of all, taking the time to watch this, and second of all, go and hit those buttons for me. I appreciate it. And this is looking great. Let's look at it from the front. Looks pretty cool. Looks like a ball glass donut there. Hot glass donut. And just keep working it till it gets the size that you want it to be. I'm just making a round one. That's what your basic bead is, just like round basic bead. And there we go. I'm going to put this in the kiln to anneal, and we will see how it came out tomorrow or later tonight.